Have you ever felt stuck? Like no matter how hard you work, you're still struggling to get ahead? You're putting in the hours, but can't seem to break free from the grind? What if I told you there's a way to escape that cycle without burning yourself out on long hours, expensive ads, cold messaging strangers, or bothering your friends and family? Stay with me. I'll show you exactly how. If you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I used to be a monk. Now I help freedom seeking men and women hit seven figures online without having to work a job or answer to a boss. It wasn't always this way, though. I was once overworked, underpaid, and stuck in a cycle of just surviving, not thriving. But then I discovered a way to build a profitable business online from home with just a couple of hours a day around my schedule. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to walk you through the simple system that completely changed everything for me step by step. It's flexible, easy to follow, and you don't need prior experience to get started. So let me just share my screen with you and show you how it works. Here's my YouTube channel, but let's go to the business. So what this is a business in a box. You don't have to create anything. It's an all-in-one, done for you business in a box, right? So we give you these four different digital programs. Okay, there's four programs that you can learn from and then resell for 100% profit. You can make $100, $300, $600, and $900 over and over again, paid directly to you through your automated system. This is a global business, so you can get customers from any part of the world, and you can do this business from any part of the world. All you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, and just 2 hours a day, coachable, and you got to be consistent. So what are you going to learn inside of these programs? These are programs inside of the e-learning industry, a billion-dollar-a-day industry. You're going to learn how to build a digital business online from scratch, how to scale it from 6 to 7 figures. You're going to learn how to build multiple streams of income. Okay, you're going to learn how to grow your social media following from scratch. You're going to learn how to do email marketing, create your own offers in your own communities, and monetize your communities as well. Plus more, because we're always adding new stuff to the program. And not only that, but you get access to our community for free. We have over 50,000 people inside of our community. You get daily mentoring from a millionaire and live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners to help you build your business. So you're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. Let me show you how this whole system works. What you get here, you get your own sales funnel. You don't have to create anything. It's already created for you. All you got to do is set it up. You can set it up in like 1 day, 2 days, depends on you, right? It took me a few hours to set up just because I was excited to get my business started. And you don't need any tech skills because I don't have any tech skills. I barely even finished high school because I skipped classes all the time. If someone who didn't really pay attention in high school and dropped out of college can figure out how to set up their business in a few hours, I know you can do it. This is a capture page. What happens is every time someone goes to your link, they're going to go here, right? They're going to put their email in. You're building your email list. Once they're inside of your email automations, they can buy from you at any time because we give you 30 emails to start with. So these emails are doing the follow-up for you, which means you don't have to do sales calls and you don't have to cold message people. They put their email in and then it takes them here. Okay, they're going to go here. They're going to watch this video. This is a sales video. Mine's going to look a little different than yours because I've branded these pages to myself. You can also do it too. You can brand it to yourself, but you don't want to change too much because it's already proven to convert. They're going to watch one of these videos. Here's another video that we send out in people's emails. Yeah, your video is going to be a little different. I'm not going to be in your video because that's not going to happen. Okay, so your video is going to look a little bit different, right? People watch these videos. These videos are going to do the selling for you. Plus, there's these testimonies, the wins from our community. I'm going to show you what the community looks like in just a second. They're going to read the wins. They're going to watch the video. And then every time they click on this button, they can buy from you. Okay. So it'll take them to your sales page or your website, right? And this is the website. Would an extra $900 a day change your life? That's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. Will that help you? How would that help you? Okay. There's 50,000 people in our community. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months. This system works. It's proven. Because the only way you can join our community is by purchasing one of the programs. So we know that this system is proven. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. But this is what truly sets us apart. You earn 100% profit per sale because we have master resale rights to these products that you don't have to create yourself. You get a certification training. The certification training is going to show you the do's and the don'ts of digital marketing, and you become a licensed reseller of these programs, okay? And then there's testimonials on the page. Like here, see, that's my picture and then my bio. You just got to put your picture in there and then you're ready to go. If someone goes to your website and they purchase the $900 program, they get all of the programs. So they get 4 income streams. So they can earn $900, $300, $600, $600 and $100 over and over again. Plus they get access to our community where there's free live mentoring and support, right? I'm telling you all this so you can explain it to your customers so you understand how this business works, not only for yourself, but your future customers, right? And this shows you what you're going to learn: 6 figures in 6 months, building recurring income, email marketing. So you can check it out on my website. Just go to 7figuremonk.com. The link's in the description. You can check out the website at any time and just put your best email in and check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. If you have questions, reply to my emails. Make sure you look through the information first. Make sure you watch the videos first, and then just reply to my emails. And if you don't like it, you don't like the business, you don't like my emails, just unsubscribe at any time, okay? And there's also payment plans available for your customers. Here's the website, and me, the creator of this program, Michelle, she created this program. Here's me hanging out with her because we've been to live events. So I know her personally. I've spent a lot of time with her. She's super cool, and she's helped me make thousands of dollars because of this program. So respect, yes. And yeah, so I'm just showing you what the website looks like. This is perfect for you if you want to make extra income, okay? You want instant access to a pre-built digital business and blueprint that's been tested for success. Just plug in, connect, and start. You want financial security. You want to work from anywhere. You want a reliable income stream. You want a flexible, family-friendly business that you can work around your family at any time because you only need 1 to 2 hours a day to build this business, minimum. You've tried other things before, but you failed, like myself. I tried so many things. I tried affiliate programs. I tried multi-level marketing for many years, like over 5 years. And I made no money. I spent more money than I made. Sad but true. And who is this not for? It's not for people who expect guaranteed results without effort. It's not for people who are unwilling to take action. It's not for people who don't want to be on video or create content, because we teach you the 2-hour workday. So basically you just post content on social media, talking videos, faceless videos, 7-second videos with words on the screen. So you got to be able to create content. If you're not willing to create content and post on social media, well, this might not be for you unless you want to do paid ads. We don't teach you how to do that, but you can market it any way you want to. If you don't want to post content on social media, you could do paid advertising. You could bother your friends and family. You could cold message people. It's up to you, but we teach you the free strategies just by posting content on social media. It's not for people who are not coachable. If you're not going to watch the trainings and implement the trainings, then it's going to be hard for you to be successful. Okay. This is not for someone who wants someone to do everything for them. You're in control of your business. You're building your business by yourself, but we help you, we coach you, we mentor you, we guide you. But you're building your business. This isn't for people who lack basic tech skills and aren't willing to learn. Most of the stuff is just copying and pasting, just understanding how social media works and how to post content and put little titles. Like, that's simple stuff. And we teach you how to do that. Okay. But you don't need to know how to build websites or coding. I use a software that does editing for me. But even then, it's not about the crazy editing. It's about the message. It's about what you're saying in the content. It's about providing value inside of your content. This isn't for anyone who isn't willing to invest in their business. It's a one-time investment to get started with this business. So you have to be willing to invest. If you're not willing to invest, then this is not for you. But the truth is, you're never going to get rich without investing. That's just a fact. This is master resale rights. So we earn 100% profit. No product creation, no risk, no inventory, no shipping, proven demand products. Compared to affiliate marketing, you earn tiny commissions. Drop shipping, low margins, high hassle. Starting your own small business, starting from scratch, high cost, high risk. Network marketing, you don't own that business. You don't own affiliate marketing. You own this business. You earn 100% profit. You're in total control of your business. There's no uplines, no downlines, no middleman. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. And if you want to get started, 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in the description. You can check out this website yourself too. You get these bonuses. You get access to our community for free. We have 50,000 people in our community, live mentoring, weekly live coaching calls. Okay. 24/7 school community access. Okay. You get these different bonuses also, right? You get thousands of dollars worth of bonuses, like our community builders training. We teach you how to create your own community inside of school. You get a Canva crash course, how to create content with Canva. You get my first million in 17 months blueprint from my friend and mentor, Michelle. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing, and you get 200 digital product ideas so you can create and sell your own digital products. Those are the bonuses that you get. And that's pretty much it for the website. And there's frequently asked questions at the bottom. So not only like you get to use this website, this is your business. Okay. So these pages are out there working for you 24/7. This is how you make money in your sleep. Because at any time, someone can go to your website and purchase one of the programs. They're inside of your automation, so they're getting emails sent out from you daily. So if you want to get started with this program, all you got to do is purchase one of the programs and pay $39 for your website, and then you're in. No monthly fees, zero monthly fees. All you need is one sale and you get your investment back. Your business is free. Then your second sale and your business is in profit, okay? You're in profit mode. So once you purchase the program, you're gonna get access to your program. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So you purchase your program, you pay $39 for your website, and this is where all your products are. So you view my products. We have the certification training here. The product is the program, it's the training, it's the education, e-learning, $1 billion a day industry. That's the product. Okay. So this is the certification training, leveraging your automated system, understanding how this program works, discovery method, digital marketing, attraction marketing, understanding attraction marketing versus traditional marketing, personal brand, storytelling marketing. This is the kind of stuff you're going to learn. Compliance, ethical marketing practices. Your final steps, you take your quiz. You can finish this whole training in about 2 hours. And then here's your bonuses, right? All your bonuses are here. And what you got to do is you got to go into your program. So whatever the highest level of your program is, you start there. Whatever, if you purchase the 900, start at the 900. Don't start at the 100. Start at the 900, okay? So you just go here, watch this, click here to get started. It's going to show you how to do everything. This is your introduction to the program and the business. One of the first things you got to do is set up your website. Go to GoDaddy, get a professional domain. Like my domain is 7-Figure Monk, and a professional email address. You just need that for email marketing. It's just mandatory. You just got to follow the steps, and basically you're just copying and pasting your information into the system. And that's it. There's like 20 steps. It took me a few hours. If you don't want to set it up yourself, there's tech done for you services, and they'll set it up for you. It'll take like 1 or 2 days, depending on how many orders they have. So then after you set up your system, there's a launch to profit launch kit for your online business. You want to watch this. This is going to show you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So you watch this training, get your first sale in 7 days, and then your business is free. And then everything after that is profit, which is amazing, because most businesses, it takes them like 3 years to get into profit mode. And like 50% of businesses fail after 5 years. I'm talking about offline businesses or like, startup businesses, whatever. But this business, 2 sales, your business is in profit with like a one-time investment. So, and you earn 100% profit. Most businesses only earn 10 to 30%. After you watch the launch kit, you just go through the rest of the trainings over time: marketing, social media, mastering storytelling, branding your business, discovery method, how to find and attract customers, training like this. Okay. And then let's go to the community. This is the fun stuff. So our community, we have 55,000 people. So this is where you get live mentoring, you get training, you get support. Okay. So motivation, inspiration, all that stuff. You just introduce yourself. If you have questions, you ask questions. You can post your wins. We have our community inside of school. We're one of the top business communities inside of school. Okay. Now, inside of our community, we also have a classroom where we have bonus trainings, like social media training, content evolved 6 figures in 6 months. You can watch all the live mentoring replays here. All the live mentoring replays are here. And getting started training, you want to go there. We have a daily mentoring from a millionaire. We have this new 30-day momentum thing, showing you how to grow your following, grow an email list, and grow a customer base in 30 days. Okay, we have all this kind of value. So much value inside of our community, so much value inside of the program. And then the calendar that shows you when we have the next live events, like mentoring with Jessica. We have our millionaire mentoring every Tuesday. This is going to show you when we have the live mentoring calls and give you your Zoom link so you can attend. Okay, and that's basically the community. Now let's see the wins that people are having. Let me show you proof that people are making money. People make money every single day. First sale for Melanie. Paula, $900 while watching a movie for Paula. She made $900, right? Because our business is automated. $900 sale while in the hospital. She said, I'm at my saddest moments. My son is hospitalized, but she made a sale. $900 ding while batch creating content. She's batch creating, which means she's creating a bunch of content and storing it in her drafts. You can also do that. You can batch create content. Closing the week at $1,300 for her. And this is a global business. We have people from all over the world in our community. Pretty much every place every continent that you can imagine, except for maybe Antarctica. So yeah, that's the community. That's it. You get started, you purchase one of the programs, you pay $39 for your website, and then you're following a 2-hour workday. Once you get your business set up, you're just posting content on social media. You can also go live. Like you can see my YouTube channel. We have a great YouTube training channel that's going to show you how to launch your YouTube channel for your business or whatever other thing you want to promote. Look at my YouTube channel. I have long form videos, short form videos, talking videos, all kinds of stuff. You can do B-roll videos, words on the screen. You can check out my content. My content's ever evolving, all right? So it's always getting better every day. Then here's all my live recordings, because YouTube records my lives, so you can watch some of my lives. I'm getting better every day. So cut me some slack if it's not perfect. You don't have to be perfect to make money. I made thousands of dollars with this business. Just show up, be yourself, be coachable, be consistent. That's the key. Even in the early days of this business, I was still making sales. Like, you can do written posts like this. You can post pictures of yourself or faceless content. Here's me doing some fun stuff with AI, creating cartoons. Here's a value post. This is like motivational, inspirational. So you can like do motivational, inspirational stuff and sprinkle business posts in there too. So now you get the idea of how to create content, right? And you're going to learn how to do this, even if you have no experience. Okay. Plus, we're going to teach you how to use ChatGPT so you can never run out of content ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video, share this video with someone you know. If you know someone who's struggling financially, they need more time, they need more income, they're working 40+ hours a week, and they're stressed out and hopeless, share this video with them, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like adding new content, different streams of income, different tools that you can use to build a business, mindset hacks, all kinds of stuff. So make sure to follow me on YouTube, and thank you for watching. If you want to get started, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Just go there, put in your email. I'm going to send you a PDF. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. You can do this. You got this. Let's go. I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you inside of the community.